there's a function to mark text when you have some copy within a scene. So in the Functions tab and in the Text folder, there's a function called mark text. And the way this works is when we drag a font down into the scene tree, and let's say we have something typed in here, so we'll type some text. We'll center this up. And let's say we want to mark 1 or 2 words within this font line. So what we can do is drag this mark text down. We'll click on the mark text and it says text to mark. So we'll just type in the exact word that we want to mark. And when we do that, you can see that the brown word here is marked with this orange underline. There isn't too many other options other than this. We have an FG, a BG, a both, and none. So whatever word that you want to mark, you just type it in and you can set it. It is case sensitive, so if you don't spell it correctly, it will not find it.